Ravi Rampal from West Indies finished off his career with 231 wickets. Kane Richardson from Australia has 234 wickets so far. Harbhajan Singh signed up from T20 cricket with 235 wickets. Jeetan Patel finished off his career with 240 wickets. From New Zealand, Mitchell McClenaghan with 241 wickets in his T20 career. Pakistani pacer Hassan Ali with 241 wickets in his T20 career. From England, Tymal Mills with 243 wickets. Former West Indian captain Jason Holder with 244 wickets in his T20 career. Carlos Brathwaite from West Indies has 247 wickets in his T20 career. Alabail Morkel from South Africa has 248 wickets in his T20 career. Kagiso Rabada from South Africa has 249 wickets in his T20 career. Kiwi pacer Trent Boult with 253 wickets so far in his T20 career. Ardy Briggs with 254 wickets in his T20 career. Afghanistan spinner Mujibur Rahman has 256 wickets so far in his T20 career. Deepan Enes from Australia has 257 wickets in his T20 career. Azhar Mahmood from Pakistan finished off his career with 258 wickets. James Faulkner from Australia signs off from T20 cricket with 262 wickets. South African speed gun Dale Steyn signs off from T20 cricket with 263 wickets. AC Thomas got 263 wickets in all of T20 cricket. Pakistani mystery spinner Saeed Ajmal got 271 wickets in all of his T20 career. Pakistani pacer Shaheen Afridi currently has 273 wickets in his T20 career. Thisara Perera from Sri Lanka has 276 wickets in his T20 career. Dan Christian from Australia has 280 wickets in his T20 career. English all-rounder Ravi Bopara has 277 wickets in all of T20 cricket. Jasprit Bumrah from India has 280 wickets so far. Yasir Arafat from Pakistan has 281 wickets in his T20 career. Indian spinner Amit Mishra has 285 wickets so far in his T20 career. Chris Morris from South Africa signs up from T20 cricket with 290 wickets. Ish Sodhi from New Zealand has 293 wickets so far. Tabraiz Shamsi from South Africa has 294 wickets. David Willey got 295 wickets in all of T20 cricket.